Good morning, everybody, and God bless. You already know you're about to have an amazing day because we only take steps forward. The Lord's opened all of our eyes this morning for a reason. It's because He's not done with us yet. We all still have value, we all still have purpose here. That being said, today's message is different. I had to spend a lot of time talking with the Lord to finally realize this. Yes, I try to motivate everybody on a daily basis if I can help it. But ultimately, we are all motivated in different ways. None of us are crafted in the image of one another. None of us walk the same journey in life. And a lot of the things that I say will resonate with some, but it will not resonate with others, and that is perfectly okay. I love the Lord. I love everything He's done for me. But the fact remains that it's just not some people's lifestyle. And that's okay. We have no room to criticize another man, another woman, for what they believe in. Because at the end of the day, we all have our own ways of finding motivation. We have to be able to motivate ourselves. Because if we cannot motivate ourselves, then nobody else will be able to motivate us. I already know it's going to be a great day. I already know I have a testimony. I know what the Lord has done for me. And so do many others. But again, that's just not what some people want. And you cannot shove your beliefs down their throat. At the end of the day, they will always take steps forward if that is what they want to do. They will always find a way to continue to grind, to continue to move up the ladder, because they still have value. They still have a purpose, and they still have a journey. And none of us will ever walk the same journey in life. And that's not a prediction, guys. That's a spoiler. You can be there for your fellow man, and you can always be there for them to reach out to. But at the end of the day, they must find a way to motivate themselves. Again, with a lot of the ways that I like to motivate others, it works for me. It allows me to spread my testimony. It allows me to strengthen my platform. It allows me to serve others better. But there are many other ways you can do it. And you have to find what works for you. Because again, if you can't keep yourself motivated, nobody can do it for you. You have to be the one to sit down and evaluate the steps you want to take moving forward. Because at the end of the day, the only one that has to truly live with your actions is you. Because you are the only one that is actually making them. Look, Jesus is always going to love you. That's always going to remain, yes. But I cannot make you believe that. I cannot force you to believe that. And to those of you that I've tried to do that to for a long time, I apologize. At the end of the day, maybe that's not been helping you take steps forward. For some of you, that may have been steps back. I do not know that. But at the end of the day, as long as you're happy, that's what matters. Because if you're not happy, you cannot focus on the positive. You will always focus on the negative, and that will just tear you down. Do not tear yourself down. You are too valuable for that. And just like I have a testimony, so do you. And no matter how you choose to use it, it will always be inspiring. And don't let anybody convince you otherwise. Yes, I love you all. I appreciate everything you guys have done for me. And I'm just talking to everybody as a whole, everybody from Madden Mobile to the people I know in real life to the people I met at KU. Everybody has been there for me in one way or another. Everybody helped me along my journey. And the ones that are part of my journey moving forward were meant to be there. Thank you, everybody. Please have an amazing day. Hug a loved one and cherish the things in life that you find amazing.